Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we disable delete sound setting in our Redmi phone. Guys, you want to disable your delete sound settings. So when how can you disable today? I will show you guys in this video. So you want to disable, so you can disable it. And first of all guys, open your phone setting to disable your delete sound setting. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting in your Redmi phone. So guys click on sound and vibration setting, guys tap here and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your phone guys, your sound and vibration additional setting, guys tap here. Friends, you can see your delete sound settings. So friends, you can see right side this icon is enabled, but guys you want to disable your delete sound setting, guys, so you can disable from here. So friends, your delete item sound means like when you delete guys any app, any icon, so why your delete sound will not work in your Redmi phone. So like that guys, if you want to disable, you can disable your delete sound setting. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please comment, like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.